Hi everybody, I am Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
Today we are at Universal Orlando, Florida, and we are exploring their brand new resort, the Enlist Summer Dockside. What do you think of it so far?
So far, I'm thinking it's amazing.
They have a lot of rooms, they have 2 pools. This is a prime value resort, so you really get the most bang for your buck here for sure. They have buses that run every 10 to 15 minutes to Volcano Bay Water Park and to the park, so it's really a great place to stay. They also have family suites, which we are not in today for just the 2 of us. But why don't you come on in and we're going to show you around our room.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Endless Summer Resort at Dockside Inn. I am so excited to show you this value resort because honestly you can't even tell. It is amazing in here. So we're just going to start off with this hallway here. And so here we have a nice beautiful mirror. So, you know, Rebecca, she can do her hair in the hallway and that way it doesn't take up the bathroom.
And if you don't know who Rebecca is, check out the Cabana Bay family suite tour video.
I mean, comment down below if you know who Rebecca is. It's yeah.
She might be fictional. We don't know yet.
Maybe. So, moving on to this closet here. Open it up. And then we have the safe to store all your valuables. And then we have the hangers. You can hang your stuff up. And you know, we have luggage stands and an iron. And just close that. It's a nice curtain. Close it up. We're gonna move on into here. And here on the left we have a door. That way if like your grandparents or something stay in the other room, you can just open up this door and have them connected. And then over on here we have, of course, the beautiful flat screen TV. And then over here we have a beautiful, like, I don't know, what's this called?
What? It's very beachy.
Yeah,
like this is the Endless Summer Resort.
And it just feels like just a really cool paint to catch the wave there. And if you just wait for it, that light turns on. You know, a little light here.
Yeah, there's an ice bucket.
Yep, and ice bucket so you can get some ice for your drinks. That can be stored in this mini fridge here. Shut that. And move on into the drawers, which are like a woven basket kind of feel here. And we're gonna open all that up. I have some of my valuables stored in there right now. We have 2 other drawers just like that one. And here we have like this nice little stool. I think it's like really like kind of like cool vibe to it. You pull that one out, and you can just sit here and do schoolwork or normal work, or you know, book some trips for free. Completely compliment. Anyway, moving on, we have the phone in case you want to call the front desk. Let's step back in real quick, and a trash can, of course, and then we have this like really like nice chair. I could probably sleep here, guys.
It's kind of a trendy beachy chair.
Yeah, no kidding. And of course, massive windows. Open up into a beautiful view.
A view of the pool.
That's so beautiful.
We are on the 1st floor.
Yes, we are on the 1st floor. Let me go ahead and shut those curtains though for extremely cool stuff. And we have a nice lamp right here in the corner. A little bit bright at first, but it really lightens up the room. And not just that lamp, but I don't know if I should leave that off and on, or off or on. But moving on over here, you see these like beds, and they have like wave kind of sheets to them, just for the vibe of summer. But the thing that's kind of cool over here is like you see the summer total vibe. Like, what you see here is this like cool lamp. And if you pull this little, I don't know, like hook thingy, light.
I like those. Those are definitely beach vibes and trendy.
Yes, and of course the other bed also has one. And over here we have hand sanitizer, the remote to the TV, which you do need to, use the TV. And then you just have this stand here. It doesn't open up or anything. It's just a really
Cute thing?
Yeah, exactly.
They do have one USB outlet for charging phones.
And that's pretty much all I got that I can think of right now.
I like that artwork. That's really cool. And the fact that the color of the ceiling matches the bedding.
Yeah.
So it kind of pulls everything together. And there are more outlets here, by the way. There's an outlet there with a USB charger, and here at the other end of the desk, there's more outlets too.
Moving back on over into here, we have the thermostat, so you can change the temperature. We're probably just going to leave that right where it's at because it's very nice temperature in here. But moving on into the bathroom, we have a big old mirror for Rebecca to do her hair in. Again. Anywho, moving on over here, we have the Kleenex. Very, very vibey, like Kleenex.
Hair dryer.
And then we have this. It's kind of cool. We got the Surf and Sand Gentle Face Soap for all skin types.
Let's look down here. There's towels and washcloths.
Moving on into the bathroom, we got the toilet paper, of course. We got more toilet. Okay, we got the toilet, trash can, all the necessities. But turning around, we got this cool shower thingy. Step it on into here. You take a shower over here. Shower.
They got some beachy looking soap in here too.
No kidding, guys. Hydrating conditioner, renewing shampoo, and of course, the cleansing bath bar. Totally made a mess of that, but it's okay.
Shower head.
And then, if you have wet clothes from going to Volcano Bay or any swimming at all, you can go ahead and pull this on over here, and now you have a rack to hang your clothes on so they can dry.
Oh, and they can drip in the shower, and there's the full shower. I like how the door is curved. I think it gives it more room in there. It makes it feel roomier. All right. I like these floors. I'm always fascinated by the colors and the floors, how they put everything together in these rooms. The colors are so nice and relaxing. The blues, I'll turn around one more time so you guys can see the whole room. And I thank you all for joining us. You can see we've got our luggage in here, and there's lots of room here to store it right inside the door. But thanks for joining us and checking out our room at Universal's Endless Summer Dockside Inn.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We had a great time staying in this room. Mom, what did you think of it?
I think it's fabulous. It's such a great opportunity to get such a good value at such a fun place, to take such an amazing vacation. Universal is a must visit for all Harry Potter fans, and we really appreciate y'all watching our videos and being fans. So if you have a comment, you leave a comment down below,
And hit the bell icon to stay notified on all of our new posts.
follow us for more fun videos of our adventures and the fabulous rooms that we stay in. And if you would like complimentary planning assistance based on personal experience for your next vacation to Universal Orlando, hook me up. My name is Melissa. You'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com. Bye. Thanks for watching.